We're listening to Adam Green in the background, but the important thing is that I'm employing this smoker unit
They aren't interested in logic.
to a beef shank.
And that's how they look at things. Simply put,
And I've got a temperature gauge that's saying it is
delusional.
just under 200 degrees. In the firebox, I have some alder. I put fire brick in to contain the little heat. And there's a nice bed of embers down there. This nice little shelf at the bottom. I have some more alder split. This has been smoking for about an hour.
And we need to be able to deal with it even if we can't fully understand. The fact that
And
it's about the health of a society.
I am smoking these beef shanks that were marinated for about 5 or 6 hours. I'm heating up dinner, and I'm going to